Thokozani, this is Mkhulu Dablamanzi, and some of you know me as Nkosazani Robin, Thokozani, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thokozani Bokoko, Thokozani Bomkhulu, Thokozani Nine Nongli Nibukela got this video. So itopic yanamhla sizokhuluma ngeSiduli. Siduli sinemandla kakhulu bokoko nabomkhulu. Siduli siyaphilisa. Siduli sikhona ke ndatinto letiningi le wena most of the time ungeke ukhona ukutiyenda kumbe kutiyendela. Gogo Siduli sitholakala kuphi? Siduli sitholakala ehlathini kumbe somewhere near the mountain, yeah, ehlathini most of the time. So Siduli sibukeka kanjani Siduli? Please check the thumbnail on my video utosibona Siduli ukuthi sinjani. And then what is it that you need to bring when uya esidulini? You can bring ilikhandlela elimhlophe nelikhandlela leliyellow. You bring your snuff, snuff or sniff lewati ukuthi madloti akho kumbe lithonga lakho liyasebenzisa, please. And then you're gonna bring coins or coin, imali lemhlophe. Thokozani bokoko, thokozani bomkhulu. I hope siyavana lapho. And then the reason why ngithi Siduli sinemandla kakhulu, Siduli ungasebenzisa for different kinds of reasons empilweni yakho. Say maybe you can't connect le madloti akini. Say maybe la uhlala khona usemqashweni, or khala khona ngcolile, or msamo ungcolile, or like there's some other reasons kuthi ungakhoni ukuxhumana nemathonga. It might be ukuthi nawe nje there's something not right with you. So what is it that you need to do is that you need to go and find isiduli. Now ufika khona, oh I forgot, bring something that you can use to dig a hole kule siduli. Please bokoko nabomkhulu, I hope siyavana. And then nawufika laphayana ulayitha amakhandlela akho, and then you pray first. Uyathandaza, ubita tingilosi, ubita uNkulunkulu, uyacela, ucela indlela, ucela ukuthi kungabi nento levalako, ukhona ukuthi ucommunicate namadlozi akini kahle, into tikhaye kube kuhle. And then sokuqala uphahla ukhulume netidalwa takini. So Siduli si important because you can connect nemadloti easily. You can connect nemadloti very easily. Bayakuva, basheshe bakuve, basheshe bakuphendule futhi. And then another thing is that say maybe uvalekile maphupho, you can use isiduli to help you ukuthi maphupho akho avuleke. Siduli siyasebenza kakhulu bokoko nabomkhulu. And then nawadi ukuthi bakubophile siduli nakhona, you can use it to angadi ukuthi ungasebenzisa ukuthi ukhumule mafindo empilweni yakho. Siduli uyasebenzisa, maybe say bakufake something letingekho right, uyakhona ukususa lokho esidulwini bokoko nabomkhulu, uyakhona ukugezela esidulwini. So there are so many things that you can do esidulwini other than kuphahla. Siduli sinemsebenzi leminingi, so kudependa ukuthi iprogram yakho ihamba njani. And then if you know the rituals that are needed to be performed esidulwini, that's fantastic. You can go and use isiduli bokoko nabomkhulu. But most importantly, for you guys that are not able to connect netidalwa takubo kahle, netidalwa tabo kahle, so go and use siduli bokoko. Siduli sinemandla, siduli senatinto tendakale. Angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu bokoko. Go try it for yourself, go see yourself. Those of you that have been struggling, please hambani yosebenzisa siduli. Siduli siyasebenza. Thokozani bokoko, thokozani bomkhulu, ndawuwe emakhosini. Amen.